What's up? It's Fireman Chef Jeff, and I am going to do some ribs on the smoker, the Pit Boss. And I'm working 96 hours straight for this 4th of July week. So I hope y'all are doing good. And here is some of my ribs I made today, and some jalapeno sausage. About to take this Pit Boss, just got it cleaned up real good. I'm gonna take it out, fire it up, throw on two racks of ribs. Let's get her done. All right, I got these 2 racks of ribs here. I'm gonna take the silver membrane off the backs of them, and then put some mustard on them and our seasoning, and then get them out on the Pit Boss. Go ahead, hit it with the mustard on both sides, rub it in, and then we'll season. I'm gonna use the Holy Voodoo from Meat Church, and then the hot honey hog. I'm going to lay down the Holy Voodoo first, and then I'll add the honey hog. Got both my rubs on, gonna flip them over and do the same thing on the other side. Got both sides seasoned with the Holy Voodoo and the honey hog hot. And gonna let them sweat for about 10-15 minutes, and then throw them on the Pit Boss at 225. Gonna run them for about 3 hours before we wrap them. I'm gonna fill this pan up with some apple juice and some apple cider vinegar, just to give it some moisture in the smoker. We got our 2 racks of ribs, a little moisture tray in there. I'll spray it about every 45 minutes with some apple cider vinegar and some apple juice and some water mixed in. That's it. 225, let her rip, potato chip. Here is 1 hour in. Ooh-wee. Spritz it. And then let it go for another hour. All right, just pulled the ribs. They are at about 200, 201 degrees. Unwrapped them and just put some barbecue sauce that I made out of the Dr. Pepper that I did earlier. So now I'm gonna throw them back on the smoker for about 20 minutes or 30, tack that up, and we'll be ready to eat.